Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stretch tight shoes with a blow dryer, and this will be an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. All that you need to make this happen is a simple blow dryer and a pair of shoes that are slightly too tight. Now, this method is not going to allow you to make the shoes much bigger. It's just a slight stretch. So it's going to take your shoes that are just slightly too tight in one area or another or multiple areas, and it's going to allow you to hopefully stretch them out ever so slightly. Now, obviously this is going to depend on the type of shoe, the material that the shoes are made out of, and so on and so forth. And obviously make sure that your shoes can handle being blow dried. Make sure that your shoes can handle the heat and the air from the blow dryer. So go and take a look at your shoes. Go and look on the care instructions or on the tag or anything like that. And you maybe look up the material that they're made from. Do your own research. Use your own judgment and make sure that they can handle the heat from the blow dryer and the air from the blow dryer. And if you know that they can handle the heat and the air from the blow dryer, then you can hopefully proceed with this method. Now, how do you stretch your tight shoes using a blow dryer? Well, it's practically super simple. It's very practical, I should say, and it's super easy, okay? And it's an effective way to stretch the shoes if you do it properly. What you're going to want to do is get your blow dryer and you want to turn it to a hot setting. Make sure your blow dryer is producing heat, which most likely, most blow dryers, that's how they operate for the most part. So make sure your blow dryer is producing heat. What you're going to then do is figure out where on the shoe it is slightly too tight. It might be on the toe area, side to side on the toe area. It might be on the ankle area. It might be on the heel area. It might be anywhere on the shoe. But you're going to figure out where it's slightly too tight, okay? And you're going to basically, you probably can't stretch your shoes forward in terms of bringing the toes forward. That's not how this stretching is going to work. It's more side to side. Okay, and then you can even try and bring the heel back a little bit more, the heel area back a little bit more in terms of like the upper area where it meets like the back side of your ankle, I should say. Not necessarily the heel, but like the heel side of your ankle, if you can imagine that. Okay, so that's the idea. You're going to see which of those areas might be too tight. Once you know the area or areas that are too tight, you're going to put your blow dryer on the hot setting, like I said, and you're going to heat up those areas or one area at a time. You should probably try and work one area at a time. It's just a little bit easier to manage. So you're going to heat up that area for about 20 to 30 seconds. So turn your blow dryer on with the hot setting and heat up that area for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay? Once you've heated up the area for 20 to 30 seconds, it's going to be nice and hot. And what you're going to do is you're going to stretch the area to loosen it and potentially widen it or lengthen it, whatever you're trying to do, as it cools down. So as the material cools down, you're going to give it a stretch as it cools down. You're going to put your foot in there, you're going to try the shoe on again, see if it's a little bit better. If you're happy with it, then you're good to go. If not, you're going to do another pass. So you're going to get the blow dryer on the hot setting, 20 to 30 seconds on that area, turn it off, and as the material cools, you're going to stretch it out as it cools. Put your foot in, see if you're happy with it, and keep doing that until you're happy with the new stretched size. Now, like I said, the method is really simple. Basically, you use the blow dryer to heat up the material for 20 to 30 seconds, and then as it cools down, you sort of stretch it out and pull the material apart. That's the method. It's really, really easy to do. Heat it up with the blow dryer for 20 to 30 seconds, and then as it cools down, you sort of stretch it out and pull it apart. Okay? You're going to work each spot of the shoes in terms of the tight spots individually. That's the easiest way to manage them, and then to manage this process, and then try the shoes on after each pass to see if they're loose enough, if you're happy with the results. Now, like I said, you're not going to be able to stretch them substantially like this. You're not going to be able to take them half a size up or a size up. Nothing like that. Don't get the wrong idea. This is like a minor stretch. This is like, oh, the shoes fit well, but maybe the part that's around your ankle is just ever so slightly too tight. You can hopefully stretch it out a little bit so that it doesn't, touch your ankle as tightly. That's the idea. It's a simple, slight stretch, an easy method that is super easy to do, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it so that hopefully you can use this method to stretch out your shoes a little bit, get a little bit more space in them, a little bit more desired space in those shoes. And that's it. If your shoes are too tight, hopefully this video can help you out. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I have nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.